Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to delete a list on Trello. So first thing is just simply go to your Trello workspace, and after that just simply go into one of your board. So I have a board over here. Now from here just simply select a list. So I'm gonna delete this doing list over here and click on these three dots over here, and then I go for archive this list. And now from here just simply select the three dots on the top right corner, and now you should be able to see here this sidebar and go for the archive items. And now from here just simply select switch to lists. So click on this and you should be able to see here the trash button. Just simply select this one, and as you can see guys, that all cards, actions, and activity in this list will be permanently deleted, and you won't be able to reopen it anymore because there is no undo once you delete it. And once you select that delete, you should be able to delete it. And there you go. See ya.